Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and you may be getting this video because you clicked on that join button that's right down below. First of all, thank you for your interest in joining and becoming a member of my channel. I really appreciate it. So, what's the difference of just coming over and subscribing versus being a member of my channel? Well, let me tell you. There's only one membership tier, and that tier is for $4.99 a month. Now, what you get with that tier is pretty amazing. So you get access to all of my patterns for free. Now, I know there's not a whole bunch of patterns right now, but I'm working on it, and my goal is to make one a month as I continue forward, at least one a month, if not more, as I get more and more prolific at it. Next thing that you get is a 25% off coupon code for my Etsy shop. Yeah. So, and then you get plenty of other perks and benefits as well. So those are just two big ones. And then also, wait, there is one more. There is a member only live session. And I will pick the days and times in which I will do that based on your input. So why don't you go ahead and hit that join button and get access to all these amazing perks, plus a little bit more. So, I can't wait to see you in my membership section. So, see you there.